Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of cryptocurrency. It's a wild ride, so buckle up. From the mysterious origins of Bitcoin to the rise of DeFi and the metaverse, we've got a lot to cover. We'll be looking at the key moments that shaped the crypto world, the innovations that changed the game, and some of the major challenges that the industry has faced along the way. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how we got to where we are today and what the future of cryptocurrency might hold. Let's get started. Our story begins in 2009 after the 2008 financial crisis. People were losing trust in traditional financial systems. That's when Bitcoin emerged, created by Satoshi Nakamoto. The first Bitcoin transaction took place on January 12, 2009. Satoshi sent 10 Bitcoins to Hal Finney. This marked the beginning of Bitcoin's journey to a global phenomenon, a new form of digital currency, independent of any government. It sparked a movement. Since then, Bitcoin has had serious ups and downs, but that first transaction was pivotal in finance history. Fast forward to 2015. Bitcoin had been around for a few years, but the crypto world was about to get bigger. Enter Ethereum, created by Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum allowed developers to build decentralized applications, or dApps, and it introduced smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements written in code. This opened up a world of possibilities. Blockchain technology could now be used for more than just money. Decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, prediction markets, and digital collectibles like NFTs. Ethereum built an entire ecosystem on Bitcoin's foundation. Now, the early days of crypto weren't all sunshine and rainbows. There were some serious growing pains, and one of the biggest was the Mt. Gox hack in 2014. At the time, Mt. Gox was the largest Bitcoin exchange in the world. It was the go-to place to buy and sell Bitcoin. But then, disaster struck. Hackers managed to steal a staggering 850,000 Bitcoins, worth hundreds of millions of dollars at the time. This was a massive blow to the crypto community. It exposed the vulnerabilities of early cryptocurrency exchanges and raised serious concerns about security. The Mt. Gox hack was a wake-up call. It forced the industry to confront its weaknesses and prioritize security like never before. It led to the development of more secure exchanges, better wallet technology, and a greater emphasis on responsible disclosure and security audits. Let's jump ahead to 2017. This was the year of the ICO, or initial coin offering. It felt like a gold rush. Startups realized they could raise money by issuing their own digital tokens, bypassing the traditional venture capital route. And investors? They were eager to get in on the action, often throwing money at projects without fully understanding the risks. This led to an explosion of new crypto projects, some promising, many not so much. Money was flowing freely, and the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies skyrocketed. But like all booms, it couldn't last forever. Many ICOs turned out to be scams, while others simply failed to deliver on their promises. The market became oversaturated, and the bubble eventually burst, leading to a significant market correction. The ICO boom and bust brought cryptocurrency to the attention of regulators around the world. They realized that this new asset class wasn't going away and that it needed some ground rules. One of the biggest players was the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. They started cracking down on ICOs that they deemed to be unregistered securities offerings, sending a clear message that the Wild West days of crypto were coming to an end. Other countries took a more welcoming approach, creating regulatory sandboxes for crypto businesses to innovate while still providing consumer protection. We saw countries like Malta and Switzerland emerge as crypto-friendly jurisdictions, attracting businesses and investors from around the globe. The regulatory landscape is constantly evolving, but one thing's for sure: crypto is here to stay, and governments are figuring out how to deal with it. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the historical moments that have shaped the crypto world. From that very first Bitcoin transaction to the rise of Ethereum and the regulatory hurdles, it's been an incredible journey so far. And it's only just getting started. What's next for crypto? Well, that's a video for another day. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be exciting to watch it unfold.